When viewing a trip, this is how you create an analysis polygon. Click to add vertices and double-click to finish drawing the polygon. You can click and drag the vertices to fine-tune its shape. Give the polygon a name and description and click Save. Give the polygon some time to save. Once the polygon has saved successfully, click the checkbox to view the polygon's shape and statistics. The statistics can be copied and pasted to an Excel document if needed. You can click the checkbox and diskette on template polygons to view and apply existing polygons to the current trip. You can export selected polygons as shapefiles to use in GIS software. The data values in the polygon are appended to the GIS attribute table. Note that the polygon shapefile export will be in the WGS84 coordinate system. Thank you, and happy biobasing!